Okay, let's now proceed with case number 6. So that's for g of x is equal to e to the mx multiplied by k1 sine bx plus k2 cosine bx, or a product of cosine and or sine and exponential functions. So ang yp natin is our exponential multiplied by the yp of our sine and cosine functions. So yp is e to the mx times the quantity a sine bx plus cosine bx, where a and b are constants to be determined. So applying this sa ating given DE, so let's solve for yc muna. So that's m squared minus 6m plus 25 is equal to 0. This is non-factorable, so pwede tayong gumamit ng completing the square. So this is m squared minus 6m is negative 25. Divide by 2, then raised to the second power, that's 9. So that's m minus 3. M minus 3 and squared equal to negative 16. So this is m minus 3 equal to plus minus the square root of negative 16. So we have here m minus 3 is equal to plus minus 4i. So m is 3 plus minus 4i. So this is a complex conjugate where a is 3, b is 4. So yc natin is c1, or e to the ax, that's e to the 3x times the quantity c1 cosine 4x plus c2 sine 4x. So, i-x na natin ang c kasi ito yung negative 3 yun. So, dapat positive. So, alin man sa A, B, at saka D ang sagot. So, depende na lang kung ano yung makukuha nating YP. So, let's try solving for YP. So, ang ating given again ay y double prime minus 6y prime plus 25y is equal to 10 e to the 3x sine of x. So this will is our given second order DE. So lalagyan lang natin ng YP, YP, and YP. So since meron tayong combination ng exponential and trigonometric sine x, so ang ating YP is equal to e to the mx, which is 3x, then a sine x plus b cosine of x. So our equation requires second derivative. So let's try to get the first derivative first. Yp prime is equal to derivative of that, that's e to the 3x. Derivative of a sine x is a cosine of x. Then plus derivative of cosine x is negative sine x times b is negative b sine of x plus a sine x plus b cosine x times the derivative of e to the 3x is 3e to the 3x. So that's derivative of a product. So since e to the 3x is common, so that gives us a cosine of x minus b sine of x plus 3a sine x plus 3b cosine of x. So combining like terms pa, that's a 3x, yung cosine and cosine, so that's a plus 3b cosine of x plus 3a minus b para naman sa sine of x. Then that's our first derivative yp prime. Finding y double prime, so that's yp double is e raised to 3x times the derivative of that. Derivative of cosine is negative, so negative quantity a plus 3b sine x plus derivative of sine is positive cosine, so that's 3a minus b cosine of x plus ito naman and derivative of 3x. So again, that is derivative of a product. So that's a plus 3b cosine x plus 3a minus b sine x times derivative of e to the 3x, which is 3 e to the 3x. So but then again, e to the 3x is common. So common, common. So factoring that out, so that gives us negative a plus 3b sine x plus 3a minus b cosine of x plus 3 times the quantity a plus 3b cosine of x plus 3 times the quantity 3a minus b of sine x. Then again, inside, pwede pa natin pagsamahin yung may sine x. Yp double is equal to e to the 3x. Let's combine sine x here. Quantity. This is positive, so uunahin ko na. That is 9a minus 3b. 9a minus 3b minus a minus 3b. And then, para naman sa may cosine, that's cosine of x, quantity, 3a minus b, and then plus 3a plus 9b. So we have that as simplified equal to e raised to 3x sine x. That's 9a minus a is 8a minus 6b plus cosine of x. 3a plus 3a is 6a plus 9b plus b is 8b. So this is negative b plus 9b is 8b. So that's our y double prime. Substituting to our original DE, yp double is e to the 3x, quantity sine x, 8a minus 6b, plus cosine x, 6a plus 8b. So that's y double prime, minus 6 times the quantity, yp prime. So this is yp prime, e to the 3x, quantity, a plus 3b cosine x, 3a minus b, sine x. That's negative 6 yp prime plus 25 yp. So that's plus 25 times the quantity. Our yp here is e to the 3x times the quantity a sine x plus b cosine x equals 10 e to the 3x sine x. Okay. So, tandaan muna natin lahat ng magkakasama. So, lagyan natin ng dilaw yung may sine x. So, pag ito dinistribute, magiging e to the 3x sine x. Lagyan natin ng tanda. Ito magiging e to the 3x cosine x. Pag dinistribute, lagyan natin ng triangle. Ito naman, pag dinistribute natin, negative 6 e to the 3x times cosine x. So, magiging negative 6 times that cosine x, and that is triangle. And negative 6 and sine x and e to the 3x is asterisk. Lagay natin ang asterisk. And then 25 e to the 3x, a sine x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 25a para sa e to the 3x sine x, that's asterisk. Then 25 e to the 3x times b cosine x, that's triangle. And then 10 e to the 3x sine x. So lahat muna ng e to the 3x sine x, lahat ng may asterisk. That is e to the 3x sine x. Yung merong asterisk. So e to the 3x sine x. So that is 8a minus 6b. 8a minus 6b yung may asterisk. So 8a minus 6b. Then you have here asterisk, negative 6 times 3a minus b. Negative 6 times 3a minus b. And then another asterisk here, you have 25 times a. Equals e to the 3x sine x, that is asterisk also, and you have here 10. Let's simplify. You have 8a minus 6b minus 18a plus 6b plus 25a is equal to 10. So if you distribute that there, magiging negative 18a plus 6b. 6b cancels out here, so that is 8a minus 18a is negative 10a plus 25a is 15a, and that is equal to 10. Then a is 10 over 15, which is equal to 2/3. Then lahat ng triangle, e to the 3x cosine of x. Lahat ng triangle. So that is 6a plus 8b. Then you have triangle here, negative 6 times a plus 3b. Negative 6 preceded siya by negative 6 ha. Negative 6 times the quantity a plus 3b. 3b. A plus 3b. Then we have another triangle here that is 25b. Of course, equals natin siya sa 0 kasi wala naman na rito sa right side na e to the 3x cosine of x. So equate natin siya sa 0. So you have here 6a plus 8b, 1 simplified, negative 6a minus 18b plus 25b is equal to 0. 6a cancels out, so this is negative 10b plus 25b is 15b equal to 0. Then b is definitely 0. Then yp is equal to e to the 3x a sine x plus b cosine of x. So that's our yp kanina. That's our yp. But b is 0, so 0 na yan, and a is 2/3. So therefore, yp is 2/3 e to the 3x sine x. So hanapin na lang natin ang yp na 2/3 e to the 3x sine x, and that will be our answer. So again, it's either A, B, C, at D na merong 2/3 e to the 3x sine x. So itong 2 over 5, hindi na yan. Itong 2 over 5, hindi na yan. So therefore, our answer there is letter A.